Welcome, today I'm showing you how to hide photos in your gallery in your INFINIX HOT 11S. First of all, open your gallery. In this phone, it's standard application for photos. Opening, and now choose some photos. Press and hold to select, for example, this one and this. Okay, and now when we select our photos, on the bottom right corner we got more options. Tap it and choose Move to X Height. Okay, we hide our photos. If you do this first time, you need to set up your X Height application by enter your security password and enter your security question and answer. So for opening our hide photos, go into Tools, and here we got our X Height. So go into this and now enter your privacy password and choose Pictures. And here we got our private album, and here we got our private photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.